What up everybody, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today we are going to take a first look inside of AdSterra. So let's dive in. Alright, today we are going to take a first look at AdSterra, and now I personally don't have a whole lot of experience with AdSterra, making it even more interesting to see what is there. But before we dive in, let me tell you that there are still some places for the Deberoo Suite Beta. So if you want to make free use of affiliate marketing software and all kinds of courses and coaching, etc., 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 if you want to test this out for completely no charge, completely free, make sure to sign up with the link below and you'll get access pretty fast. So we are still working on the beta and there's still room for more people to join us. So make sure to sign in for the beta waiting list and we'll send you an invite to join us on the inside of the Deberoo Suite. Now let's go ahead, let's go to the website AdSterra.com, I believe. There we go. So let's see. Alright, so we have the registration here, the sign in here if you already have an account, and then menu, we'll get into that in a second. Alright. AdSterra Network is a leading digital advertising company that offers performance-based solutions for advertisers and media partners worldwide. So let's see some of the numbers. They have 25 billion impressions per month. Pretty impressive. 248 geos covered, 50,000 plus successful campaigns, and 10,000K leads last month. Personal account manager, alright. Security, we provide an effective combination of in-house and third-party fraud detection systems that automatically monitor security of all ad campaigns. That's pretty good. Conversion tracking and favorable CPMs. Choose your profitable plan to target mobile and desktop traffic for high conversions through best fitting payment model. Real-time statistics, all right. They have some partners listed here. All right. Meet AdSterra, so they go to some of the events listed here as well, and we can request a meeting. That's nice, that's nice. Now let's see what else we have. Let's go to advertisers. See if we can get some more information. Pay for performance. Meet your campaign objectives by reaching the right user with the most suitable payment model. With our high quality traffic, you will get more impressions, leads, conversions, and sales. So geo and language, so smart targeting, region, country, state, city, language, all right, browser, obviously, device and vendor, all right, good stuff, advanced mobile, target traffic worldwide via Wi-Fi or mobile carriers, all right, operating systems, cool, and by keywords. Ads are displayed on pages that match the lists of specific keywords. That's pretty cool. Retargeting, convert your website visitors to your customers with new and most effective format of online advertising, pop-under retargeting. Pop-under is getting very popular right now, pun not intended. Integration with mobile systems, easy integration process and detailed tracking of all traffic sources through HasOthers, Volume, Tune, Cake, AppFlyers, and other partners. Advanced optimization, most effective results for each creative and placement with our advanced optimization technology. Now that I want to learn more of. So budget caps, set specific hourly, daily, total caps for your campaigns. Hourly is pretty interesting as well, meaning I guess that you can set a hourly budget and have more control over your budget since you now slice it up in hours instead of days or totals. Frequency, choose the number of times your ads are exposed. Time, specific date and time your ads to be displayed. Bid recommendations, suggest the optimal bid based on your campaign criteria. Self-service platform, be in control of your online advertising campaigns like never before with AdSterra SSP, supply side platform. Real-time bidding. All right. Cool. What else do we have? We have publishers. Advertiser SSP, I'm gonna skip that for now. Not that interested in the supply side platform because we wouldn't use it as affiliate marketers, right? Highest CPM rates, monetize your every impression with 100% fill rates and competitive CPMs with customized to your needs solution. Save ads, we offer maximum security and protection against common malware and bad ads through our in-house and third-party fraud detection system. Effective ad formats, make more money from your website or app with our vast variety of web and mobile formats and on-time payments. All right, so that's more of the publisher side, obviously, since we were on the publishers page. Let's see. Let's go to the About Us. I want to learn a little bit more about the company. I personally like to do some research in the companies that I'm going to work with to see, is it a match? Do I trust them? Do I believe them? Do I get a good feeling out of it overall about the website, but also about some intel information on the About Us page, and let them introduce themselves to me so that I can get a good feeling about it, and that I know for sure that the traffic that I'm buying, or the company that I'm buying my traffic from, is a legit company who is willing to perform well rather than just grab money and do nothing, right? Seems like we have some problems with the connection. Let me go back to the home page. And then About Us. Will it work or will it not work? That is the question. You know what? I see they also have a blog. Let's check out the blog first. That's working. Dope. 10 best online casino marketing ideas you should know. All right. How to improve your CPA marketing with AdSterra. How to monetize WordPress website. 20% off on Tickets Affiliate Conference Fall 2020. Cool. I want to read some more about this. I love it when these kind of companies have their own blog to help you get a better understanding of the affiliate marketing, of their services, of their product, whatever it is. Oh, they even have a podcast. That's dope. This time we let our heart speak. The following interview is the text version of an insightful podcast hosted by Jitendra Vaswani. Jitendra is a digital marketing pro, an international keynote speaker, and the founder of bloggerideas.com. In his podcast called Inside a Hustler's Brain, he interviews digital gurus, making them share pure practical tips and strategies. This episode puts a sharp focus on AdSterra CPA marketing strategies, made clear by our expert Aina Sivseva, but not only. All right. AdSterra's head of CPA department, Aina, is sharing her expertise on trends, handpicking and testing. She unveils some strategies that will help affiliate marketers run their CPA offers with superior results. You'll find out what offers to try first with AdSterra, how the team manages to stay ahead of the market even in COVID-19 realities, and what you need to launch your first winning campaign. Dope. Awesome, cool. So this is a text version, but I rather just listen to the podcast. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to listen to this podcast. It looks very interesting. and it seems like a very legit website. Let's see if we can get that About Us page up before I am going to shut off the camera and turn on the podcast. What is AdSterra? Since 2013, reaches 1 billion impressions per month in 2014. 3,500 different traffic sources. AdSterra team reaches 122 employees, 10 billion impressions per month, 400 active advertisers. Dope. Our mission: AdSterra is a premium advertising network serving over 25 billion geo-targeted ad impressions per month. We connect product and service companies to their audience through our smart advertising platform to raise brand awareness globally, improve ROI, and increase ad revenue. Our mission is to transform digital advertising for web, mobile, and social platforms and make it creative, unique, and engaging with the help of our modern optimization technology. In AdSterra, we believe in taking personal approach with each of our partners and help them grow with their business every step of the way. Trust, passion, creativity, innovation, reliability. Dope! That looks pretty cool. That looks pretty awesome. So yeah, check out AdSterra, check out their blog, check out their website, and sign in because I like the gist of it, to be very honest. And Colin actually recommended this to me. So Colin has some experience with them, and if he recommends it to me, that means that it's a pretty good take. So I am going to listen into this blog and get more information on how I can use AdSterra in my campaigns to get even better results. And I suggest you do the same thing to get some better results for your CPA marketing campaigns. And while you're already on it, make sure to also sign in for the Deberoo Suite beta. So you can still join the beta for free and you can use the software completely free and check it out and see if it's something to help you with your campaigns. You can use the landing page builder and this pie tool. All kinds of fun stuff will be in there in the Deberoo Suite. So make sure to sign up for free today, and then we'll see you on the inside. That's going to be it for this one. I'm going to listen to the podcast. Have fun with the blog and the podcast if you're going to listen to it too, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.